Hello everyone, my name is Archana Bharti and I am a trainer in ICICI Foundation. Today, with the help of this video, we will learn about sentence construction and verb tenses. Under this, we will learn about perfect tenses. Today's our objective is to understand perfect type of verb tenses and their usage in our day-to-day life along with the examples. The perfect form is the verb tense used to indicate a completed action or condition. Verbs can appear in any one of three perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. When we talk about present perfect tenses, it is an action that began in the past but true in the present, or an action that happened in the past but time is not specified. The structure for this will be subject plus have or has plus third form of the verb plus object. So the example will be I have played football a lot this week. As we are talking about I, we are adding have to it and the verb is play. The third form of the verb will be played and the object is football a lot this week. Let's see another example. I have finished my homework. As we can see, the work has been completed but the work is or the time is not specified. When we talk about past perfect tense, it is an action that completed before any other action in the past. The structure for past perfect tense will be subject plus had as the work has been completed plus third form of the verb plus object. So the example will be I had played football before you came, means the work has been completed before any other action in the past. Moving on to the future perfect tense. It is an action that will happen before another event in the future, means the action is already to happen. It is not happened yet. The structure for this will be subject plus will have plus third form of the verb plus object. So the example will be I will have played football by the time you arrive, means before another event the action will happen. So let's check our knowledge. You just have to identify that the examples are of perfect present, past or future tense. The first example is I have prepared this report. As we can see, the time is not specified but the work has been done. So it is an example of perfect present. Second example is she had replied to this email, means the reply has already been done. So it is an example of perfect past. The third example is they will have arrived. As we can see, we are adding will here. So it is an example of perfect future. I hope you all have got the correct answers. So today we have learned and understood perfect type of verb tense and their usage along with the examples. So that's all from my side. Have a good day and thank you.